Kiumbe kia MTETEZI ekio gikwigerera obwene bwa mwanyabantu nigo baruro kogoserera guche gukora okorobekana elio gesegeto mwaziri w'echinguru cy'omuriro nabo igo oibo boncherera gwetigia emirimo kubatikana no Obotutukanu bugendete kwenekigwa emeyense ya Kenya baukwana litko lierero kuraso mucho Nairobi abaraibe kiumbe kyo nigo baigo batebire serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo yasinyirwe emirimo nakige kugera kira chingaki ebwate Obotutukanu ao murikito Linet Nyambane no roboti orwe
Kiombe kia basae giokwegerera obwene bwa mwanyabantu kia MTETEZI kia gikeirie bororo Obotutukanu boreo imeyense bwa Amaguta gukwana imeyo mucho Nairobi isko ya magacho yekigambero kia milimani abarai be kiombe kyo nigo baruro kuboria guchia ase omwaziri bw'echinguru cy'omuriro na Amaguta Opiyo Wandanyi omwaziri bw'obonchoreria Kinyanjui nabo igo omo-CEO bw'ekiombe giokorenga obuya bw'ebinto KEBS gwetigia emeremo rimorioka obotuki bokorwe.
MTETEZI notes that junior and technical officers have already faced arrest, interrogation or removal, yet the cabinet level principals whose offices appear in the same approval chain remain in office. This creates a perception of selective accountability, undermines public confidence in of investigations, and risks interference, direct or indirect, with ongoing inquiries. The doctrine of public responsibility requires that where ministerial offices are implicated in decision-making, leading to potential public harm, the holders of those offices step aside to allow impartial investigations.
Abaraya bo nigo bono batebire Amaguta ayo aretwa imeyense nigo are amabe gochia ase obochenu bwa mwanyabantu nabo igo ase ebyoma.
We know very well that sulfur, it's a very hazardous chemical, yet he knew everything. Then he parastatals, because of love of money, they decided to import the fuel to use the Kenyan SCA as a checking tool for counterfeit products.
That fuel has already docked in Mombasa, and the ship that brought that consignment has sailed to South Africa. This country is riddled with scandals, from sugar with mercury to substandard cooking oil. Today we are talking about another triangle of wickedness that is implicating the Ministry of Trade, Ministry of Energy and Petroleum, and KEBS. These three parastatals or organizations in this country connived to import substandard fuel into this country. As a consumer, as an active citizen, as a Kenyan, I'm concerned. I have a vehicle, I have a motorcycle. Will my motorcycle, will my motorbike and my car consume that substandard fuel? And will the government compensate me for any mechanical damage to the engines of my vehicles in case my vehicles use that substandard fuel? Fuel that has manganese, sulfur, and benzene in it poses an environmental harm and a potential risk to all of us. So we need a clarification on whether the government is going to distribute this fuel or destroy it.
Chingakie chiechio nigo abasaya bo bamochiri omwaziri Opiyo ase ogotoma ebibago ebyo byabasagana nabo igo byasagana abararia egento keirera amonchoreria ase omoroberio yo oregokorekana korwa ensemo ya Chest House na koiro goika ase kigambero kia milimani.
As what you're asking, President, that the culture of goonism have been cultivated in this nation. June 25th, when as young people we took it to the street, we saw the police walking side by goons. Today again, we have seen the similar situation. As young people, when you're questioning the government, the so-called PS, who feels like he's a goddess or a sort of a god to us, he is sending goons to beat our media people, steal from them, and telling us that the government is theirs.
Venye umetuma goons leo, within those 48 hours, kama hautakuwa umeresign, itabidi tumeonana na wewe na umeonana na wananchi. Na mimi pia sitaki nikitoka kwa nyumba niambie bibi yangu nisiporudi jua nilikuwa napigania hii nchi. We want you to save lives, and that's why tumeita hii press na tukapatiana 48 hours ultimatums, failure to which we will mobilize anyone who feel like this country is heading towards the wrong direction Tuingie kwa barabara, tupige makelele, tuchome tile, tufanye kitu yoyote hadi malilio ya Wakenya na malilio yetu yaweze kuangaliwa.
Koripoteria en Soko TV, Eritaria ne Linet Nyambane.